Ash is in.
There's more space on this side than that side. Go on, Ash!
Yeah.
Ash Roger, we're watching Ash back today. This bowl is unbelievable. Yeah, quick, hurry up, he's can't be mad.
These players are useless.
Catch it!
What the? Ew. Awesome goalkeeper.
You're going to get a big aspect on that. Ash, go and go! Yeah, he just looked at me. Alright, to Ash back. Give it to Messi!
Whole ball weren't off. No, it is. He gives that to make sure.
Made sure, nice one.
Huh?
This is World Cup, mate. Fuck off. Shut up, mate.
Why you sat me for? Because I'm his brother.
No, you're not to win, eh?
He's got one touch. But he's sort of like left up.
Oh! Bad Asian kid.
Shoot!
That will get in. That's gonna get. Way!
He's actually recording this game.
Yeah, apparently.
Apparently, what do you mean apparently?
Apparently I am.
Oh yes, Ash!
Yeah.
The phone says it's recording.
Go on, Ash! Go on, Ash!
Ash!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Go on, back to Ash, back.
Hey! Ash, run!
What just happened, bro?
Cut him down,
Shoot!
Shot, mate!
Whoa.
Here we go, look.
Go. Is it in? No. One defender. You. Run, mate, run. Get it. Two.
Oh. Peter, that was all it needed. Back to Ash! Back to Ash!
Ash. Give it to Ash.
Ash, run! Oh, yes, Ash!
Ash, run. Oh.
I'm going to the ball.
Oh, back to Ash!
Slide it down there. Whoa. That's two. Oh. In. That's a goal.
Don't worry, Ash.
Pretty.
Go on, keeper. But even without, it's me and Harry. Both of them on the strike.
Way.
Why was frozen?
It's pretty cold, man. What is that?
Best Albanian goalkeeper.
Shut up, mate. It's awesome goalkeeper. You can't say that.
Oh, what a ball.
Wait! Yo.
What's going on there? Hey, your hat missing the other game. Who came on for this time?
Yeah, the one running.
Yeah.
Wait! Oh, out. Babe, it's off. First off. The first half is on.
Oh yes, we can just start it.
Is Balotelli having babies?
What? That's two.
No, Ashrak will be here. Ashrak will be on this side.
Ashrak is awesome.
Let's see his goals fall short. If he gets another fall short. Come on, ready. This team's really good when they have all that.
What the heck is all?
Awesome stretch. 33.
I'm sure he
That's Teo. That's number 33. That's some lives in Tilbury.
The guy in the black shirt on that's running now for the ball.
Teo. Well, the one with the ball. Teo.
Look at it! Go on!
Oh, this
Oh, don't get it.
2 Asian best players. They're still.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
They could have sat that in the corner.
Yeah.
Use your strength. Go on, Ash.
Oh! Ash did it! Oh, is that in?
Oh, yes, sir.
Well played, Ash.
Wait! Go! Shoot! No, don't shoot.
Ash, that. No, man.
That's what I'm doing to you.
Those two actually ripping. Let's see.
Yeah, I know.
This guy's just trying to.
Thing over and over again.
What was that?
Yes, sir.
Playing it about.
Whoa!
Fucking hell.
Can't even pass.
He looks like Reece James.
That's.
Oh, what a save.
Whoa!
Oh, what a clearance.
That's in. 100%.
Yes, Ash.
Oh, that's weird. Well done. Awesome.
Look, go get that ball. Do you want to go have a kick about that with the ball?
Super. Everyone should just clap Ash. How long's left?
Clap. Ash, come. Ash, look, ball's coming this way. Ash, ball. Is that in? Shoot.
Ash, have you been subbed off?
Ash, unlucky mate. Ash, can you give a signature?
Someone say picture. Sorry.
How long?
Wait. That's Beers. Go. Run. Help me. Oh! Unlucky.
That was their chance.
Goalkeeper's gone out. That's it. That's it. Ash, help them. Oh.
Need no ball.
Oh, Jay, that's it. That's a goal now. Wait.
Andrew. Well then, run.
Scores 3 and he...
What?
Aye. Who's got glove? My hands are freezing.
We've got 2 minutes left.
Yep. What the? Is that in? Run, Peter, run! Who's got the ball? Oh, unlucky.
Poor play.
Go on, Ash!
Ash, score that! I'll give you 50. No.
Ash, make a run! Ash, movement!
Wait! Come in.
Movement, Ash!
No! Is that in?
Yes, Ash!
Ash! Jay! Ah!
That was the chance.
Ash. Oh, he could have scored that. Oh, that's a great trick.
Did you see that guy? No, he just see that guy. What just happened, bro? He moved away. He moved away. He moved away. Yeah, mate. Oh, what a guy. Don't get any ideas. Adam, don't get any ideas. Adam will just kick it up.
Oh, they've changed the goal there.
Oh, yeah, good tactical shot.
Oh, Piers in the goal.
Bib, mate.
He scored more than him.
Where's your bib gone? Where's your bib gone?
Can you run? Oh my god, goalkeepers can run.
Goalkeeper's on the run.
Oh,
It's through. No ball.
He's got
Give it to Adam.
wait, no, no.
Ash, move!
Give it to Adam.
Goalkeeper.
That's fine.
Ash,
Oh,
run!
Ash! You could have done that.
Chase it!
Run for it.
It's better than falling short.
Oh!
Yes.
Is that in?
Nah.
Number 33 got it, so that might be it. Eh?
They're not.
Bestest goalkeeper.
They just call it referee.
Bestest, nice one.
40 goals off. He's 40 standard.
Alright, he's fat. He's got that skill.
Mate.
Alright, look.
They're going from nowhere.
Oh, wait.
Have a shot, it will go in. Paper, do some step overs.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir. Get on it. Rinse him.
Oh, nice one.
Yes,
Oh my god. Wait,
Ash, next one, go.
Ash, run for the ball.
Whoa.
Whoa. Shut up, mate.
We should just go. When Ash comes out, you can do that. It's not about the winning. Ash, come back. I've got Ash.
Oh, Ash got it.
Where did it get him? Where did it get him, Ash?
Nice. Clap. Good win. The audience is going away. Audience is happy. Oh my god. There's a man. People lost. Fuck. How did you do that? You should be proud now. You're on cameras. No way. The losing team. You alright? Yep. Huh? Yeah. Well, well, they lost.
Well, is that your team?
Kind of.
My team was the one that won, but it wasn't team.
I know. Why didn't you play, mate? Why didn't you play?
Ever since I started in Germany,
Same, mate, same.
If anyone wants to join in, nothing right mind.
Can we?
As long as you've got kit, obviously.
Bro. Because you lost? Oh. What was the score?
fuck you, it was 3-1.
Hey, 3-1, lost. Nah. Ash, how did it feel? Speakers on you.
I'm moving to PSG next year.
Don't worry, 7
Manager
aside next week,
what would you say about that?
That was rubbish.
Yeah, we all know
I'm
that.
ashamed of the goalkeeper. I'm ashamed of the goalkeeper.
You lost, mate. You lost 3-1. You can't be cool now. You lost your coolness, mate.
I didn't know, man. I told you so.
Oh. This is a recorded
stop it.
person.
Hey, you can do it, man. You played one game and that was it.
I know.
You're the best defender. This guy is the best defender, and he didn't
Thank
play.
you.
He quitted.
No,
He quitted.
I didn't quit. I
Pussy.
forward.
Pussy.